Today we're going to be showing you how to install your front seat covers on your sedan.
If your seat covers come in two pieces, skip to 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Once you unbox your package, you can go ahead and take out the front two headrests that can sometimes be found in between the two seat covers. Then take out both seat covers and unfold them to get ready for the install. If for any reason you decide you do not want the lumbar support before installing, you can go into the back of the seat cover and pull the cushion out with the zipper attached below. Once they're unfolded, go ahead and unbuckle the two buckles that are found at the bottom of the seat cover. You can also unzip the zipper found on the side of the seat cover to make sure that it's easy to fit inside of your vehicle. Next, go ahead and pop that headrest off. Note that sometimes you'll need a pin to unlock the headrest on certain vehicles. Once the headrest is off, you can slide the seat cover down the seat. Certain vehicles are going to be a bit tighter than others, so go ahead and shimmy it on down to make sure it fits tight. Next, we're going to tuck the flaps on the top of the seat cover in between the headrest holes. Once it's tucked, go ahead and button them up. The next step is to push the front buckles in between the crease of the seat so they come out the back. That way we can find the back buckles and get them ready to tighten. You can loosen the buckle straps to give you more room in order to fit them through. Once you've done that, go ahead and loosen the back buckles and fold the bottom half of the seat over your car seat, fitting it nice and snug. Now we're going to take the back buckles and thread them through the bottom of the seat. Ensure to go all the way under, not to interfere with any cords.
Because of how dark it is in the back of the vehicle, we're going to be showing you guys how to connect both the front and back buckles through the creases so they meet each other in the back.
I want to clarify, you do not have to remove your seat. We're just showing you on this model so that it's easier to see. Go ahead and grab the front buckles that you fed through the crease of the seat and pull them out from underneath. Then reach under the seat and find the back buckle, pull that through, and you can go ahead and buckle the front and back buckles together. If you're having a hard time, with an automatic seat, you can move it forward to enable more room to find the back and front buckles. Then go ahead and cinch them together. Ensure you're cinching both sides for the maximum fit. Once it's buckled, go ahead and zip the back zipper.
With the new model of our seat covers, you will first start by slipping the back part of the cover down the seat. Like we did on the other covers, button and tuck the top. Now we will take the wheels and attach them to the elastic bands at the bottom of the seat. That way you can shove them through the creases. Once they are through the creases, it will keep that piece locked into place. We will now take the bottom half of the cover, place it over the seat, extend the female part of the buckles and push them through the crease of the seat. Now you can situate the seat on top to your liking and send the male end of the buckles underneath. Then buckle underneath the seat and pull the straps tight. Last step is to slide the cover over the headrest and put the headrest back on the seat.
Lastly, all we have to do is put the headrest on. Ensure you push the headrest as far into the cover as possible to ensure it fits as tight as it can. Then you can go ahead and put the headrest back into your car. Note you might have to tilt your seat back in order for it to fit. Once you've done that, go ahead and repeat this entire process for the passenger seat. Finished product should look like this. If you have any more questions, email us at info@seatcoversolutions.com.